71, which is from rock and mineral. So it is asking about that it is asking about a rock composed entirely of crystal is said to be, means ऐसी rock जो entirely crystal की बनी होती है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? So the simple thing is whenever every part is made up of crystal, such kind of rock is called as hollow crystalline. I'm telling you the terminology is hollow crystalline. Hollow means whole part, right? Hollow means everything. ठीक है, तो hollow means everything, crystal means crystal, so hollow crystalline, such kind of rock is called hollow crystalline. But we will put up some of the briefings. So 71 is 3, we will put up the briefings about these rock systems. So let's have a look. So let's have a look at what are glassy crystalline and hollow crystalline, which have been asked into your question, right? So when the high temperature magma cools and form solid rocks, if the cooling time is very short and allowed no time at all for the atoms to form orderly pattern according to crystalline structures, micronized particles will aggregate irregularly and form a glass like extremely, ठीक है, छोटा सा बनेगा, ठीक है, glassy. When it happens, it is impossible to identify a mineral using microscope or any other instrument. Like I have already talked about microcrystalline glassy rock. So if the cooling period is relatively larger, तो ग्लासी तो जब बहुत जल्दी क्विक होगा और स्मॉल पार्टिकल साइज होंगे. So if the cooling period is relatively longer, which allow atoms to form orderly pattern but not the complete, the formation of crystal is called as crystalline. Which what happens, the mineral therefore cannot be identified using eyes or low magnification microscope, but can be seen using high precise high magnification microscope or X-ray diffraction. So such kind of rock is called as basically crystalline. तो हमने crystalline भी देख लिया क्या होता है, थोड़ा सा ज्यादा टाइम मिल गया. Then we have if the cooling period is long enough, काफी ज्यादा अगर टाइम मिल जाए हमें, to form orderly pattern and mineral crystals fully grow, the rock that has mineral with large particle size and crystal shape. This is the main point, which can be seen by eyes or low magnification microscope, and this kind of rock is called as hollow crystalline. You have to keep in mind this kind of rock is called as hollow crystalline. तो ये आपको ध्यान रखना है, होलो क्रिस्टलाइन रॉक इस तरह की होती है, ठीक है जी, फुल पार्ट होगा क्रिस्टल के अंदर, ठीक है. कुछ एग्जांपल हैं, जैसे इसके अंदर देखिए, अब देख लेते हैं, हमने किया ही है. तो ये नंबर 1, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट ग्लासी, इट इज ऑफन सीन इन ऑर्डिनरी ओशन फ्लोर्स. ओशन फ्लोर में आपको जनरली ये मिलती है, ठीक है. basalt where the magma quickly cool down due to its contact with sea water, तो glassy generally ocean floor में मिलती है. crystalline की बात करें, such as pangu basalt, magma explode out to the ground, although it has took slightly longer time to cool down, it was still considered to be as quick cooling process, therefore the mineral therefore have small particle. और अगर hollow crystalline की मैं बात करता हूँ, which is important and can be asked as in like type, so hollow crystalline like Kindman granite where the particle mineral are relatively coarse. The reason is that the magma slowly cool down under the ground, offering mineral sufficient time to grow. तो काफी टाइम मिल जाता है पार्टिकल्स को प्रॉपर ग्रो करने के लिए. Such kind of rocks are called as hollow crystalline. यहाँ पे एक और टर्म है hollow haline texture, ठीक है. hollow haline जो आपका एक वर्डिंग्स है वहां पे, a term applied to igneous rock that have a glassy texture, they are called hollow haline. Rocks were generally cooled rapidly, which inhibit growth rate and nucleation of crystal. A few tiny crystal called as microlite may be present. तो ये ध्यान रखना है आपको. उसके बाद एक टर्मिनोलॉजी और है वहां पे जो हाइपोक्रिस्टलाइन आपको बोली गई है. हाइपोक्रिस्टलाइन को भी ध्यान रखना है बिकॉज दैट कुड बी आल्सो बी आस्क्ड. हाइपोक्रिस्टलाइन स्ट्रक्चर, दिस वन, राइट. So hypocrystalline is basically is a texture term describe an igneous rock consisting of a mixture of a glass and crystal where 2 ratio crystal to glass ratio greater than 3:5, rock containing a higher ratio of glass are described as hyohaline, holohaline, hyaline and hypohaline. ठीक है, ग्लास का जहां पे ज्यादा रेशियो होता है तो ये ध्यान रखना है हाइपो में. And these were the terminology about this. So the correct answer here is holocrystalline. Correct answer here is holocrystalline, which is choice number 3. Holocrystalline, which is choice number 3. Is it clear to everyone? किसी को कोई डाउट है इस क्वेश्चन में? जल्दी से बताएं. 71. Anyone having any doubt? Anyone any doubt till here? चलो जी आगे आ जाते हैं 72 पे, which is once again a statistics question. Which is once again a statistics question.